Welcome back. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to work with your general settings. But prior to that, you may find that your store address will need to be verified also in addition to your email address. So what you're going to do is you're going to click this link. It says verify address. That's going to bring you into your general settings. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to write in the legal name of your business. And then you're going to write in all of your identifying information. Now, what you'll want to be aware of is that this information is going to appear inside of your invoices whenever someone gets one, whether it is for shipping or for other business. Shopify will also tell you that this address will determine which apps can be used along with your Shopify store. You're then going to determine your time zone as well as the unit system that you use. You'll see here that you can use the imperial system or the metric system. Now, this is optional. What you can do is you can write in where you want your order IDs to start and how you want them to be formatted. So for example, one of the things that we can write in here is that we can place in a prefix and a suffix. And you'll see here when we put the prefix in, how our order IDs will appear. We can also place in a suffix. And you'll see how your order IDs will appear. You can determine what you want your primary store currency to be. In this case, we're going to write in United States dollar. You'll put in the store currency that you want to use. Now again, one thing you'll want to keep track of here is that once you've earned your first sale, you'll want to be aware that your currency is going to be locked in and will not be able to be changed as part of this store. So once you have your general settings the way you want them to be, you'll then click Save. Once you do that, you'll then want to click this link that says Settings, and then you'll start to work with the other settings for your store. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.